come back to CPC. I'm even rocking the t-shirt, the drag car. I'll show you this today as well. But they've moved building and they've expanded basically a lot. So this is all their cars here. I'll take you around and show you some of them here. You can see it here. This is their expansion. They've got lifts and everything now. So primarily a Mira restoration, mod restored or restoration. But you can see here, here's one that's just having all the body started here, and then here's one that's being cleaned up. For example, nice yellow. You can see the front. It's all new heat shields and lights and paint and everything. They've now got 2 lifts. Guys working. A bunch of other Miras and cool wheels and stuff sitting on the wall. A lot of new equipment now. Take you around here. Here's some of the restoration work on all the subframes, the engines, little four pots. Gearboxes are really nicely coated and crackle paint and some kind of high temp paint on there. Tiny little turbochargers on these things, but you can see that's what they are. Old subframes to basically fully cleaned up here. Mighty here. It's been engine swapped. It's his own personal car for basically fun, no racing or nothing. As you can see, it's a SR20 small VT short bed, which is really rare, and also it's had windows installed and doors from Australia for little flats. Running out aftermarket intake and eyebrow and stuff in here. It's not finished yet, but it's pretty cool. Thaihatsu Mighty X basically. This is the windows. Imported from Australia. see, basically a chopped roof Mira. It's now 4-wheel drive. You can see the shaft just in the back. 4-pot engine, custom header and super tie, I believe. Turbo smart wastegate. Very small TD04 turbo. Custom intake, custom fuel rail and some aftermarket injectors look like Denzo's. You can see in here with a chopped roof. Basically, that's my waist. It's about my waist height. I'm 6'1", so about 3 feet or something, whatever. 4 feet tall the car would be. All perspex back here to keep it light. Carbon over fenders, it looks like CE 28 volts, maybe replicas are real, I'm not sure though. Full space frame basically. You can just see in there. Twin fuel pumps. There's a thing there, I guess, for a bottle of nitrous oxide. You can see the drive shaft going to the back. Pedal box and everything. There's also going to have a fuel tech ECU in it, which is pretty cool. But I like this. I really wouldn't mind building something like this myself. Let me know what you think of this space frame 4-wheel drive Daihatsu Mira. That's cool. Totally forgot to film an outro while I was at CPC anyway. That's my back home, back in Evo. I was doing some fine tuning and stuff, so I've noticed I've got a small fuel leak, so I'm going to fix that because I go to Bangkok next week. But just want to say thanks to the guys at CPC. Basically, they're probably the best place in Thailand for your Mira. It's not to say. The drag car is just crazy. Let me know if you guys want to see it filmed. It when it goes to the drag strip or the dyno or whatever. I'll try tag along and whatnot. And if you guys what you want, don't know if you're into that thing, but Mira's pretty cool. I'd love to build one, so this channel needs to grow a lot because basically this is the car for me, my car. You know, my money and my hard earned goes in this, you know, but I've got so many projects I want to build, you know, maybe like a drag pickup, a cool Mira or whatever, you know, and probably do something with the wife's truck or get the wife a product, but I need this channel to grow. I need my business is outside of YouTube and performance parts to grow as well, so leave up to you guys are watching. But thanks again, thanks everybody. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll be back there again in the future for updates. See ya.